In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Dubs Captions app. So if you are receiving errors from this app or you can't open it or the app keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix these problems for once and for all. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to the channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now you can take various steps to fix errors related to this app. In the first method, you'll need to access the app information page. And to do so, it is quite simple. First, you can just go to your settings. And then from settings, look for apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using an Android smartphone and this is a Redmi smartphone. So look for the option called manage apps or all apps, and then this will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now from here, scroll down until you see your app. And as you can see, my app is here. So proceed and tap on it to open. And as you can see, we are on the app information page. However, if getting to this page was quite hard, let me show you a shortcut method to get to the same page. Now for the shortcut method, just go to your app and then instead of typing on it, just go ahead and long press on it. You will see now we have app information page here. Go ahead and tap on it. It will take you to app information page. From here, we need to go ahead and clear app data. If I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data and user data. Now we want to clear cache data. One of the reasons why cache data might be a problem is because your app normally stores cache files whenever you use it to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. So go ahead and clear them by typing on clear data here and then choose clear cache here. So if you tap on clear cache, confirm, and then you can see the cache data and part of user data has been cleared. So from here, proceed and restart your smartphone and then open your app and it should start now functioning well. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and clear all the data by tapping on clear all data. And once you clear all data, you'll have to log in afresh. At this point, now your app should be working. However, if that didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and look for your app under Google Play Store. And I'll go look for mine here and then search for the app. And as you can see, my Dubs caption is here. So if I go ahead and tap on it, look for any update if it is available. As you can see, mine is up to date and that's why it is written open. So if you see any option called update, it means you have been using an outdated version of this app. Go ahead and then update it to the latest version. And at this point, this will fix all the bugs and your app now should be running smoothly. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking it and also by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.